The Armed Forces of the Philippines intends to bring perjury charges against two witnesses who recently turned against the government during a press conference. MJ Mondejar reports.
At galing na rin po mismo sa bunganga ng ating mga biktima, Mr. Speaker, ang naging sitwasyon noong sila ay pinapirma ng affidavit.
And Mr. Speaker, galing din po sa bunganga ng tatay ng isa po ng mga babae na yun na voluntarily nag-surrender po sila.
This is the exchange in the plenary session regarding the issue of two young activists who flipped their stance against the government. The issue of Janila Castro and Jed Tamanong was discussed during the plenary hearing for the 2024 proposed budget of the Department of National Defense and its attached agencies. These two young activists had accused the National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict, or NTF-ELCAC, of abducting them during a press conference. However, the AFP clarified that the two changed their statements at the last minute, damaging the government's reputation. As a result, the AFP plans to file perjury charges against them.
That the two voluntarily surrendered were sworn to before a public attorney. No? And maraming testigo doon nung nag-surrender sila. Ngayon, biglang bumaliktad sila. So we are studying the possibility of filing perjury charges against them.
Secretary Teodoro also mentioned that lawyers from the Public Attorney's Office and the parents of the two activists were present when they signed sworn statements detailing their surrender to the government. He notes that PAO Chief Presida Acosta was also present, making it improbable for any coercion by the military.
Kasi kahit na ang Chief Public Attorney, si Atty. Acosta, nando doon at inasiguran niya na walang coercion na nangyari. Yung stepfather nung isang babae na nando doon ay nandun mismo at tinanong niya ang kanyang stepdaughter kung gusto nga ng private counsel, ayaw daw. Pagkatapos biglang babaliktad.
According to legal expert Mark Tolentino, perjury is a serious case, especially when brought by the government. The Defense Department has promised to file the case as soon as possible.
Ang perjury kasi, you are testifying under oath. Ibig sabihin, gumagawa ka ng mga affidavit, judicial affidavit, or any under oath statement. Ibig sabihin, naka-notarize yan sa notary public.
Ang recourse dito ay mag-file ng perjury case. And then they can prove the truth. Kasi amin, ang ebidensya, matibay na nasa likod ng armed forces.
The two could face imprisonment for 6 to 10 years of perjury charges if found guilty. The Defense Department also issued a warning to those deceiving the government.
Gusto kong malaman kung sino ang promotor o utak nito para mapailan ng subornation of perjury charges at iba pa para magsilbing leksyon na hindi pwede linlangin nitong mga tao na ito ang taong bayan sa pamamagitan ng mga tactics na ganito.
No less than former President Rodrigo Duterte has identified the Makabayan bloc here at the House of Representatives as legal fronts of the CPP and PANDF, including that of Congressman Manuel of Kabataan Party List. For Ganabablo Philippines, MJ Mondejar, SMNI News.